And you are discharged. Si Inday naman, alam mo, si Inday lang, ito lang ang masabi ko sa inyo ha, sa lahat. Among the few sa gobyerno, it was only Inday who was very outspoken against the communists noon. Siya lang yung bububuga ng against the communists even when she was a mayor here. Ako yung conciliatory pa ang ano ko. Naglalaro ako eh. Totoo, politika yan eh. Alam mo, politiko, I could go into the territory ng NPA noon. Alam ng military yan, pati police. At I am sure na hindi rin nagustuhan nila yun. But I go to, ako lang yun, dito sa